In this video, we are going to see how we can change the region or the country in Microsoft Edge default browser settings. We don't need any external tools or advanced settings for it. It is very simple to do. So let's see how we can do that. First of all, from the bottom right hand corner, we click on the settings and we head over to the search settings. After that, we click on other settings and we head over to language and region. From here, we can choose the display language. So for example, if you want some other language to be set like Spanish and so on, you can change the default language of Microsoft Edge from here. And also the results filter language can be changed. And here is it, the result region. Let's say that I want to set it to United States. I'll just write here United and we set it, click on confirm. And once we do that, we click on back and after that just write google.com in order to make that change. Now here in USA, the region will not appear in most of the cases. That's because the USA is the default country. So it will not show any region. But let's say that I want to set it for UAE. Then we go back and then we head over to Google. It will show the United Arab Emirates here. So that is how it works. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.